In this video, we will show the best virgin coconut oil brands available to buy. At number 10. The HappyGrove Co. Cold Processed Virgin Coconut Oil, Zero Trans Fat, Zero Cholesterol, Best Healthy Oil for Cooking, Baking, Sautéing and Salad Dressing. It is excellent as baby massage oil and helps in healing diaper rash. At number 9. Tropical Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, the non-GMO production, Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. Made from fresh coconuts from organic farming, it smells like fresh coconut. Tropical Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. At number 8. Umanac Organic Virgin Coconut Oil, Organic Virgin Coconut Oil centrifugally extracted from milk of fresh coconuts and not dried desiccated coconut. At number 7.
Coco Soul Cold Pressed Natural Virgin Coconut Oil. It is a superfood, with 60% MCT energy, helps manage weight, quick source of energy before physical activity and for kids, helps cognition.
At number 6.
Morpheme Remedies Cold Pressed Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. It is pure, unrefined, cold pressed oil extracted from fresh coconut milk. The cold process method ensures that all the vital nutrients and the natural goodness of fresh coconuts are retained.
At number 5. Organic India Virgin Coconut Oil, a natural superfood beneficial for the heart. It also helps in healthy functioning of the thyroid and endocrine systems and increases the body's metabolic rate. At number 4. Kinsfolk Extra Light Olive Oil. Light olive oil is a refined oil that has a neutral taste and a higher smoke point. It can be used for baking, sautéing, grilling, and frying. At number 3. Hathmic Raw Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. It is a natural replacement for all processed oils and butter. No additives, preservatives, zero trans fat, zero cholesterol, zero lactose, zero gluten. At number 2. KLF Nirmal Cold Pressed Virgin Coconut Oil, the 100% virgin coconut oil with cholesterol 0 mg, trans fat 0 grams and vitamin E 2 mg. Neutral aroma with an irresistible taste, ready for direct consumption for salad or food. At number 1. Max Care Cold Pressed Virgin Coconut Oil. It can be used for cooking, as a dietary supplement for skin, hair and baby care. It promotes healthy metabolism and improves immunity.